It's called like Strawberry Awesome Cake, right, Kayla?
Yeah.
Good morning! Oh, yeah! Oh, we gonna go for a run. I didn't show you. I was gonna sell. Actually, I sold.
You were gonna video that guy?
No, I wasn't gonna be that guy. That wasn't who. If I looked at him and I didn't, his email address is Little Joe.
Does that look like a little Joe?
That's why.
Little Joe. Oh, little
He's like this old guy
Joe.
with a blonde hair. He looks like a beacher.
What? No, he doesn't.
No?
He looks like a hillbilly.
Hillbilly beacher. You thought you saw a bear? Where?
Oh, well, I didn't, so I'm not going to show you where.
Oh, thought it would be funny.
No, not funny.
I think it's kind of funny. Do you guys see a bear? Because I don't. Good run, beautiful scenery. Let's take a look at all the beautifulness. Getting all sorts of soaked. Chicken fingers. Kayla sold her plates to her friend who is at work, and so we're taking them to them. Her.
Yep.
Yeah. I dropped Kayla off at the Goodwill, and I'm heading to the store to buy her an apple. 2 apples! 2 apples for Kayla! Okay, Kayla, ready for you. You like apples so much, you gotta tell me which apple is which type. It's a challenge. It's the apple challenge. Here you go. So let me write down for you the types of apples. It's a good game, huh? We have Ambrosia.
You had to pick apples that I've never even heard of.
We have Gala apples, and we've got Fuji. That's why I cut 4 up, so that you could throw them behind the couch if you wanted to.
I don't even know what's left.
Ambrosia is the last one.
I guess that one.
So we have
Oh,
number
we should have played this game before dinner.
I will tell you that you have 2. Correct. I'll even tell you which ones they are so that you don't have to eat them again.
Okay.
Number 2 is Macintosh. Yep.
Okay.
Number 7 is Fuji. So 2 of them that you're familiar with, you do have correct. Taste that one next to number 4. You must eat all of the apples. I'm gonna taste that one.
Why do I have to taste it? Is that you telling me that this is a fake one? Okay, can you please taste that next to number 4? You get the rest.
Okay. Okay, you can do whatever you want the rest of the evening. That was my entertainment.
That's a good idea.
I'll just be over here. Eat my apples. Still mildly bright out enough that it can't autofocus on me. Maybe like that, I don't know. Gonna go to sleep. I was working on my computer, didn't ever really get fixed, so that's a bummer. I was trying to reinstall Windows and having problems, so we'll see if we can do it tomorrow. Other than that, good night. We'll see ya.